Hi, thanks for using my court coach. I'm Sarah and I'll be your instructor today as we talk about the request for judgment, judgment of dissolution of marriage, and notice of entry of judgment form, also known as form FL-820. Again, as with all our court forms, you want to fill in your identifying case caption information at the top. This is a form that you would only use if you filed a joint petition for summary dissolution, that's your form FL-800, before January 1st, 2011. If you have filed that joint petition for summary dissolution after that date, you will want to use the judgment of dissolution and notice of entry of judgment form FL-825 instead, and there is a separate video that addresses that particular form. So it's probably highly unusual that you're going to use this form, but in the event you are, then you want to list the date under 1 that the joint petition for summary dissolution form was filed on. And then line 2 states that no notice of revocation has been filed and the parties have not reconciled. And then line 3, you're asking for either the judgment of marital dissolution of marriage be entered now, or that it be entered nunc pro tunc, and list the date that you want it to be entered nunc pro tunc to. Again, nunc pro tunc is our Latin term for a date that has already passed. And that will only be granted in certain situations where there has been mistake or negligence that caused the judgment not to have been filed sooner than it is now being filed. So if that is the case, you want to give that explanation right here. Then below that, you're going to type your name, sign, and date, and identify which role you are. And then if either party wants to request that their former name be restored, but this request was not originally raised in the joint petition, you would identify the box that matches the party that is making the request for the name change now, and that party would then need to fill in their name here, sign, and date. Then this form is ready to submit along with your written agreement, if you have one, as part of your summary dissolution. I hope that you found this helpful. Good luck.